So this here is a ProCut Sunflower. It won't get super tall, especially now that it's later in the season and we dug it up, which kind of stunts the height and forces it to kind of blossom out right away for us. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this beautiful dark spooky trailer in front. This is Alteranthera. Okay. And this one is the Purple Night. This is the more aggressive variety. I'm going to put that actually right in the middle, so that way it can just kind of spooky its way out of here throughout the whole container. Okay. And then I dug some of these out of the garden. We put a lot of cold hardy varieties in because I love setting the garden up for fall. These are Snapdragons. This is the Liberty variety, so they're not super huge and tall, but look at how nice and grown they are. We've got so much in the garden to where it's okay to make a few extra little containers out of some of the stuff that we find in the garden this time of year. Okay, look at that instant color. Okay, and then over here we're going to put another one of those. I keep adding soil because once they work in there, it kind of pushes that soil down. But I still like to leave at least a 1/2 to 1 inch on the surface, so that way when I water it, it doesn't spill over. Okay, and now here I have some small flowering kale. I was going to dig out some really nice full-grown kale, but this will grow pretty fast because it's loving these cooler nights and some of these cooler days now that we're getting, now that we're just about to hit September. I'm actually going to put 3 in front, so that way they kind of can bush out in the front like that. I break up that root really nice, plop it in there, add some extra soil. There we go. Okay, and then to jazz it up a little extra, I'm going to go ahead and add in some little fake fall greenery. I went with a really vibrant color here, just to add that extra little foliage until these flowering kales grow in. Going to add that perfect little touch in there. And then we're going to have fun and just stick one of those guys in there. And we're going to set it up with a beautiful little pumpkin from the garden. And here's the update of that sphagnum moss wall container as well.